Hello everyone. Today I am here to speak about importance of health and nutrition. Health and nutrition are very important in our daily life. Good food gives us energy to study, play and grow. Eating fruits, vegetables, milk and grains makes our body strong. Drinking water keeps us active. Exercise and games makes our body fit, and sleep helps us rest. We should avoid too much junk food because it makes us weak. Staying clean and eating healthy food keep us happy and safe from illness. So friends, practice all these good qualities in your daily life to keep yourself healthy. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity.